friend Ivan here and watching Net Money YouTube channel. Guys, today I've come with a brilliant idea that will enable you to clone as many cheaper apps as you can so that you can register people right at the comfort of your smartphone. You know, we've been having a challenge that for you to register anyone on Cheaper Cash, you have to download the app on their smartphones and then you instruct them maybe to register them. So this has been difficult. It's not like Airtel that you go and register, or like any other applications like Wave, like you go and register any person with a national ID and is willing. Now in this tutorial I'm going to show you a hack that you can use to do exactly the same. You use your smartphone and you register every person with a national ID. Guys, this is brilliant. All right, ready? Let's step in. All right, so what you need for you to be able to do this, guys, this thing works and we're going to go step by step. I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this. All right, so let's get started. All right. So the first thing is you need this application over here. Okay, do you see this application over here? Chrome app, this one over here. You need that application. Now we are going to be cloning, and we are going to be printing cheaper. That's what we're going to do. So what you do, okay, let us first go back. Okay, so what you do, you need a cheaper, a photocopier. A photocopier is the clone app, and then you need the cheaper, which is the original version from which you're going to clone the application, and that's all you need. Okay, so to do this, you just go and download this clone app, this one over here. So you tap on it, okay, and then sometimes it disturbs, but you have to tap on the plus icon before. Okay, so let's first learn now. Sometimes this comes over here, pops up over there, and you should not tap on update for the thing to work. Okay, so you need to act first before it comes. What we need to do is we are going to tap on this thing over here. Let me first move this one. So we are going to tap on, let me first delete this so that we can see this clearly. So we are going to tap on this icon over here to add. For you to clone, you can you just tap on that plus icon. So you need to act first before this update thing pops up. Right? All right, so let's get started. So we're going to first remove it, and then we get back to it. We act faster before it pops up. So you tap on the plus. Hello, come on. All right, I was not fast enough. Let's do that once again. All right, so this is very, very brilliant. I don't know what to tell you, but this is so powerful. So actually first tap on plus icon, and then you choose the application. So you can use this to clone any other app, but we need to do this to make money. Okay, because now if you can register 20 people in a day, that is 20 times, and it's possible 20 times 45, that's something like 90,000 in a day. Okay, and you just register anyone with a national ID. You get a point. So here we are not interested in cloning any of these apps. We only need cheaper. But if you need to clone these others, you can clone them so that you can you have different accounts for different applications on different platforms. So we're going to tap on Cheaper Cash over there, and then we're going to touch on three things, guys. We touch on the name, we touch on the general settings, and then device privacy. I'm saying we touch on only three things. We change the name, we change general settings, and then device privacy. Now then the name over here, we can assign it a name. For example, if you're registering, or this might also help you, guy, if you have maybe if you had your account blocked because of access to many devices. Okay, so you can use this instead. Or if your application cannot log in any other cheaper account, in your cheaper account, you can use this and clone a new application and assign it to a different device without you actually buying the device, and it's going to work. Okay, it's going to work out. So we're going to give it a, let's say we are cloning for Mr. Ivan. Okay, Ivan, let's say Ivan account. That's the name we are going to give it. And I said we touch on first name. Okay, then next is general settings. So tap on general settings over here, and we're going to only turn on virtual SD. Why? Because we need to full cheaper as if we've installed this app on a new device. Remember, Cheaper already knows that we have already Cheaper installed on our device, so we need to host this application that we are going to clone on a different device without us actually buying the device. That's the power of this application, okay, this clone application. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So we turn on the virtual SD cards to buy space in the virtual okay, so that that application doesn't sit on our device. Is that fine? All right, so after turning it on, okay, with that, just tap on virtual SD. You can give it, yes, a pin if you want. You can give it a pin, but I'm generally speaking, you just need to tap on virtual SD. Okay, the pin just safe lock just enables you, just adds additional security that when a person is opening that application, that has to first put in the pin. Okay, all right, so that's virtual SD. That's what we touch. Okay, maybe if you want to go into details, you can figure out with other things, but mainly we have to turn on virtual SD card. All right, now after general settings, we come to device privacy. Remember, we want to full cheaper that we want to install this application on a different device, not our device. All right, so we need to turn on the device privacy. So what we do, we touch on, you see, we have to touch on this so that Android ID we hide the Android ID, we hide the what the email, like the serial number, and then these other things. Okay, the MAC address is also important because these devices that we use are assigned different, like media access controlled addresses, so that enables you to route, enables the internet protocols to route the right information to the right person. So that's why it is important for us to turn off the MAC address so that we hide it. Okay, all right, so we don't, in the device privacy, we don't want to give any room for cheaper to tell that we are using the same device, or we are installing this on the same device. So we also turn on the GPU. So we touch here, we touch on the open with a new click, so that all these things are turned on, and then GPU, so we turn on also the GPU. All right, so follow me clearly step by step, and after that we come to the setting over here and we turn it on. Okay, we turn it on. This is brilliant, guys, and this is where the magic is. Okay, so we having different phones, I don't know how I can call them, but all these are different brands and with their with different models. So for example, when you see if I tap on Huawei, I get a different models of Huawei. So I can by turning on maybe a model, it's like I've installed this chipper I'm cloning on that device that I'm selecting. So you keep on selecting different brands and different models, different brands, different models, or one brand, different models, one brand, different models. You know, you see, guys, and they are different brands. You can see Apple over there, Huawei, Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, I don't know, Samsung, Meizu, OnePlus, etc. All right, so let's say we are going to choose Samsung, and we are going to turn on maybe a model of Note 8. Wow, this is perfect. Now it's like it's like cheaper will be like, a guy of Samsung Note 8 installed this app, but when you just installed it on your device, guys, this is powerful. So you turn on, after now selecting the brand and the model, then you come and turn on, you tap on turn on over here. Okay, you turn it on over there, and that's all. Turn on. Okay, after you turning on, that's all we need. So we need setting this one over here and then this one over here. Okay, that's done. We go back, and that's all we need. So we tap on Chrome. See Chrome over here, tap on Chrome over there. Okay, this Chrome thing over here. So we tap there, and boom, it starts. Guys, this is brilliant. I love the founders of this application. It's so powerful. All right, so after doing that, okay, after finishing, they asking us to install. Okay, less data doesn't consume data. You don't need to go to Play Store and then download, and they consume those for 30 something MBs. No, this is so powerful and very easy. Now, being your first time to do this, they will ask you permission to allow installation of apps from Chrome app. Okay, and then you need to go to the settings and then allow installation, and after you just tap on done over here. Okay, just tap on done over there. So we are done. So let's now we're going to go to our let's go back, and we shall see. Do you see this application? This is the one we've just installed right now, and you can see it over here. Okay, can I get my pen over here? Can you see this? I have an account. This is the one we've just opened right now. So we're going to tap on it, okay, so that you can see, guys, how it opens. So you allow over here and you allow over there, okay, and you allow only using while using the application, okay. And we're going to see it opens like this. What we have done is like downloading the application on a different device but without actually owning the device. That's why it's so brilliant. So Chipper will not know that you've used the same device, okay, because now remember, you can't have more than two accounts. You can't create more than two accounts on the same Chipper account, you know that. So with this, it's like we are installing Chipper on a different device, and you can see it how it opens. It is very, so you can go ahead and then create a new account, okay, assign a name. Let me say you give it a name. I don't know. I think like the process continues normally, even if you have maybe you want to just use your account, just tap on I have an account, and it's like you have bought a new, like a brand new phone, a brand new phone. I don't know what you've selected, and you'll be able to continue as usual. So this, my friend, even if even if this is so powerful. If you missed my tutorial on how to make money with Super Cash, ensure you check it out. But in that tutorial, I cover everything. Like you can make cheaper. Every person that you bring on board, they give you like 4-5. It was reduced at before, it was 10,000 when I made that video, but right now it's 4-5. So I give in 4,500, and then the other person also 4,500. And the good thing in that, okay, the good thing with that, I want to open my account now. The good thing with that is that you can, even if you register like if you, many people have national IDs and they are not paying anything, okay. So be sure to check my video out if you missed it. If you missed that video, be sure to check it out. Guys, I'm not like talking to you just because I want to maybe to show some random stuff which doesn't work. No, that's not the case. You can see this was yesterday. You can see today. I think by the time you're watching this video, it might be not applicable. The date might not be applicable, but you can see these people I registered them using that method, okay, and it works, guys. All these people that have registered over here, referral history completed over there. You can see all these people you are seeing over here. All these people have been registered through this method. So guys, go ahead and use it. It will work for you very, very well. Just have numbers. If you can register, just have your numbers, like just have numbers, and this channel try to find ways of monetizing the internet, and that's why we are so bent that side of how to use this to make money. So just have your numbers. You like, I want to register 10 people. You remember, these people shouldn't be with smartphones. All you need is this Chrome application, and cheaper. So 10 times 4,500, that is 45,000. This is more than this, is like $12, guys. This will work for you if you can make this consistently for 10 days. If you can make this one consistently for, let's say for a month, 30 days. This is some money that most people who work in offices do not get, and it's very easy for you to clone 10 applications in a day, and it's very easy for you to get 10 people every day with national IDs. Why not go ahead and try this, guys? Let me know what you think about this in the comments. But I'm so hooked up with this method. I've been with it for some time, until when I decided to make a video for you guys. So if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe in a way of supporting this channel, and also to like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Just tap on that thumbs up button so that the YouTube algorithm can show this video to as many people as possible. And as the motto is, please guys, share it with people, share with your loved ones that you may think this might help. All right, so that's what I had for you today. So go ahead and use this, even if your account was broke, even if you're broke from accessing a cheaper account on your device, or you want to make money registering people on cheaper, you can do this. Well, let me know what you think in the comments. Otherwise, I love you so much. See you in the next video. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I bring a new video. Love you guys. Bye bye.